So, hi, my name is Ramit Singh, and I'm working with Unicorps as a regional sales manager for channels. The answer is very clear. It's a big yes. Any business organization need to be ERP implemented in their organization. Why? Because see, there are a lot of factors which is very important for a business to run. One is decision making, fact-based decision, transparency, increase efficiency, operations. See, all these cannot be managed by a single person or a group of persons. For that, you need a technology. Technology is a backbone of any company. So when I'm talking about SME or any bigger organization, they have different departments running their separate business. Purchase is running separately, sales is running separately, inventory is running separately. To keep all those things or to put all those things in a single platform, you should need an integrated solution like SAP Business. So the answer again is clear. It's a yes for any business organization to have an ERP in place. When we talk about a ERP, the ERP should be a good ERP, which has a past proven records, right? So when we talk about SAP Business One, SAP is a German-based multinational company, and it's founded in 1972 in Germany. So SAP Business One is a product from SAP SE, which is specifically meant for small and medium businesses. And it's aimed to automate the organization, right? So when we talk about automation, the processes are automated so that the decision making or the flow of decision will be fast. Is a right fit for a small to business. Don't go here and there. When you have SAP business company like SAP is giving you affordable solution, which a small company. When I talk about small company starts from even 10 CR, can easily afford SAP Business One. Now its days are gone where SAP is not somewhere meant for big organizations like Tata's and Ambani. Now it fit in the pocket of a small business organization also. It can easily run and function their operation in SAP Business One. So if we talk about the SAP starter pack, it starts with almost 50 to 60,000 per user, right? And the initial investment for a company like smaller company, they can start this solution for even a 5 lakh one-time cost. This sort of budget or this sort of cost we are talking about, it's a starting range, right? And then sky's the limit. The way you grow, you can put the see, first of all, you have to understand this is not a cost. This is an investment, right? People relate buying ERP is a costly affair. Because it's not a costly affair, it's an investment. And there is a thumb rule for investment. If you're getting return out of that, that's a great investment. Then any money is not look big to you. But if you look at a cost point of view, definitely then it's bother you. You have to understand that a business cannot run only on accounting. It's a old school theory where a company started their business and they thought that only accounting can manage my entire business. See, business, you have purchase are there, sales are there, inventory are there. If they are into manufacturing processes are there. Accounting is one of the part. And see, I'm from finance background, and I used to tell people that accounting is a post-mortem. You have made the purchases, you have made the sales, whether right, wrong, then accounting entry will go. So it's a post-mortem. For a company having accounting software is just restricted to a accounting part. What about purchase? We talk about purchase. How efficient my purchase is, how efficient my salespeople are, how efficient my production are. What about the inventory cost? A lot of people don't know that they have inventory lying in their stores, right? And they are still buying those material, and then at the end everything goes on scrap. So you have to understand this difference between accounting software. Accounting is one of the part. Is let's say 20% of my business. What about the 80%? And the day you start thinking about the 80%, that 20% already been managed. Even SAP Business One is offering you accounting in the package, but it's a part of the solution. So it's a complete solution. So when we talk about complete, it has purchase, sales, inventory, production, planning, project management. It has everything for a small business to manage their operation. And the best part is they all are integrated. They talk to each other so that the information which are flowing are seamless, unbreakable information. We should not manipulate the information, right? Which is a key for any business organization. Fact-based decision, which I've talked about. Decision making should be fact-based, not should be biased or should be a gut feeling based decision, right? Yes. So the traditional SAP business model, fat client model, right? Where it works only on-premise. But though the technology has changed, you can have both the option, on-premise, on cloud. On cloud, you can host it on multi-tenant model, even on dedicated cloud, or remote desktop, web-based can also be done. So earlier it was a challenge, but now we have a lot of option of deployment. Generally, it's totally depending on company to company, and the cycle is also vary. So when we talk about a smaller company, it could be implemented within 2 months also, and for a bigger company having a bigger set of challenges, 4, 5, 6 months also. So there is no fixed timeline. It's totally depending upon the size of the company, the number of users, or the operation they are into. So there are some companies who are into a complex operation. They are fairly into a smaller or the simpler processes. So it varies between 2 to 5 and can go up to 6 months also. So this is the right time to buy an ERP. See, our Indian financial calendar start from 1st of April. And we talked about that it will take around 2 to 4 months to implement in ERP. So this is the right time to go and buy an ERP so that your new system will get ready by 1st of April and everything be managed or everything be moved to a single solution. When we start the implementation, so we understand the customer processes and then we implement those processes into the system. We also do gap analysis that this as per customer and whatever best solution can be delivered. And basis on that, we'll configure the same in the system. Then customer will test run, will give training to the user, and after training, we'll go live the system. After go live, we'll give some support. And once customer are okay with that, the system is through. Now they're good to go. So there are different industrial verticals. So for different industrial vertical, we have different add-ons, which can be plugged with SAP Business One and they can fulfill their specific business needs. So if I would say if you want to buy an ERP, it's the right time to buy an ERP, and definitely Unicops is running a very good offers, which will help you to grab this solution within your pocket. And definitely we are expecting again a price hike, probably from 1st of January in the license cost, which we feel around 12 to 15%. Last year it was around 11 to 12%, and we are expecting same hike this year. So I would suggest before it's go beyond the range, you should go and buy the solution. Thank you so much.